you guys on all of the website, like HTML, CSS, not JavaScript, but I will be teaching tutorials on all of those. Now in this video, we're going to go over the basics of HTML. Actually, we might go over all of HTML. And if I do sneeze in this video, I apologize. I have some water here, so I'm probably going to drink quite a bit in this video. My throat is hurting a little bit. And so yeah, I will end up drinking a lot of water, and I apologize for that. But without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is make a folder on our desktop. And I'm not going to show you because my desktop's a mess and I don't want you to see that. So anyway, make a folder on your desktop and simply go and get Notepad++. There are different programs to use. Notepad++ is probably one of my favorite programs to use for programming. So shut up. I think it's just in the way all the time. But so if I do stop like that, I just did like I keep having acid reflux right now, so it's really painful and it's going like up my throat. But anyway, so yeah, the first thing you're gonna want to do is make that folder. And one second, I need to move my mic because it's like underneath my thing. One second. Sorry about that. So now we are going to simply put a bigger, or I don't even know, so I'm gonna just farther along. It's right next to the M key or this too. These are the basics for HTML. So the first thing you're gonna do is, I really do not know the name of that, so I'm just gonna say one of those things. And then we're going to put an exclamation point, and then we're gonna type doc type HTML and then end that tag. Now what this just did is basically told the program that this is an HTML website. Now to start the HTML, we are simply going to make one of these that looks exactly like that, which anything within these HTML quotes or whatever basically is your website. So if we would add a head, which is the header, we can simply put things inside here. But we need to add a body. Now you're probably wondering, what am I doing by pressing tab every single time I make a new layer? You do not have to do this, but basically as you go down, you're going to keep doing that, and as you go back, you're going to go back. It's just a way easier way to organize your code. Next, we put body, and now we can press enter, and then to end a tag, because it's not like we just do this, we have to end the tag. To end the tag, we put one of those things, we do a slash, and then the exact same thing. And so it would be the same with every single other one. We would do a slash and then head, and then do back and a slash HTML. So it's the exact same thing. So the first thing we are going to do is simply save that, okay? By pressing Control S, it is going to ask a question. If we go to our desktop and we were to find the folder that we need, so for example, website tutorial series, and if we added in a folder or a document named index.html, and now all you can see is the colors have changed. The reason this is because Notepad notices that this is an HTML website, so it needs to change the colors for the website for better viewing pleasure, or whatever you'd like to call it. So the first thing we're going to do is enter in the head, in between the head and the body, we're going to put a simple title, and then inside that title we'll put tutorial. I cannot type tutorial website, and then we'll end the tag as I did before. So then we can do Control S, and we can simply go into our website series, and I accidentally opened it up. Now you're probably noticing, wait, nothing just happened. I did all of this and nothing has happened. Well, you can actually tell that something has happened. If you come up here to the bar thing right up here where you can create new tabs, you can see that see where it says new tab up here? Now it says tutorial website. So a title is actually not like a title at the top of the screen. It is a title for the web browser for a new tab. So if we wanted to actually add some text, we could add a simple header 1. I think it's header 1. I don't know if it's header or something like that. I believe it's header. And basically headers go all the way, so it can be an H2, which or an etc. H9. Now 9 is the biggest you can go. If you actually go any higher, it will not work. But for some reason, it seems as if like it doesn't think that H8 is a thing. So I'm kind of thinking that for some reason, like in the new programming thing, it seems like H6 is the biggest you can go now for some reason. And basically, the higher you go, the smaller size it is going to be. So real quick, I'm just going to delete all of this, and we're going to go in between these tags, and we're going to put the text hello world. Next, we're going to do a slash h1 and close the tag and save that once again. We'll reload the page, and now you can notice there are some text that says hello world. Now, we're also going to come back down here, and we're going to add a few other tags. So another tag that there is a paragraph tag, which is just one of these things, a P and an ending thing. So in between these, we're simply going to put some text. So say hello, welcome to my website, and then a smiley face, and then end that paragraph and save that. So if we come back here, we now have that. And I actually kind of just realized I could have done this the whole time. So let me just real quickly do this. No, what happened? Let's just put this on like half of the screen. And then put this half on this side of the screen. Awesome. So now we can just view over here. So now here's another tag that you can do. If we wanted to add if we added a paragraph, or if we just, let me just do this. If we copy that paragraph and we pasted it, and if we wanted to make it look different, EM basically means italic, I think it's called. I do forget things very quickly, but just trust me, guys. And if we end that tag once again, you'll see that we have another line, but it's like a slanted thing, which actually looks pretty cool. We also, wait, I was like, wait, what just happened? Don't do that, guys. Also, people always end up doing this for a strong. Do not do that for bold. You're going to do strong. That is the new way that it is actually taught, so make sure you do strong. This makes it so for all web browsers that it actually ends up working, and so that is that. So the next thing I'm going to teach you is the UL tag. We can go inside of there and add an LI tag, and we can simply put item 1, for example, and end that tag. And we can do this again. Yeah, I can't talk. We can do this again for an item 2 and simply end that tag. So if we were to, or wait, no, because we need to end this. So we do a slash UL and save that. We now have a list of items. So what is actually really cool about these items is if we were to add an A tag, for example, we could add an A tag and simply do a href equals a quote, equals a quotation, and we can actually do an like a website. So, which I think is pretty cool. So if we added google.com, and then outside of that quotation, we would end it and simply put Google and save that. So now here we have Google, we can press on Google, and there we go, we were about to Google, which is pretty cool. I don't know why I did that, but I don't care. I think it's because we did that. I said that. Please help. I don't know what I did, but I'll tell you guys next episode how to fix that. But yeah, you can make lists, and that's how you make links with the A tag. So let's put item 2 back there, and so now it says item. Oh my gosh, I keep doing this. This is so frustrating. Help. There you go. I actually did it that time. Yeah, so how do we add a link if it's not in one of these UL tags? Simply, you do an A tag space an href, which is linking it to another website, and equals, and then inside of these quotations is going to be the website. So if we did http://youtube.com, we could make and then end that tag and simply put like YouTube and then MBAL tag. Oh wait, no, I just failed. Make sure that quotation is here, because otherwise you'll fail, and like how I did. But I can see it says YouTube, and we can click on that, and it will bring us straight to YouTube. So that is how we actually make one of these tags. And to make it look a little bit cooler, everything inside of here, what if I want it to be in the center? We can simply add a center tag, and at the bottom we'll add a /center. And then we'll end that tag, and now everything is in the center, except these. For some reason, I do not know why. I think it's because, I don't know. I think it's because, what am I doing? I'm being an idiot. That way? I don't know why these dots didn't go over. So I'll just get rid of the center tag for now. But yeah, these are the basics of HTML if you're making a web page. I can't think of anything else that I need to add. In next episode we will discuss the, oh wait, no, I did forget something. I'm sorry I hurt you. I did forget something. I'm gonna end up doing that, guys, in this series. I'm gonna end up forgetting, so I have to redo it. So I'm gonna put a tag, which this tag is an image source, or a source, and then equals, and then quotations, kind of the same thing, and then simply just end the tag. But inside of these quotations, if we were to go onto Google, for example, I wish I still had that Google tag, sadly. If we were to find a picture of like Simon Cowell, right? For example, I typed it wrong. I don't even care. But if we found a picture of Simon Cowell, we could click on it, simply press view image, and get that link, and put it inside of here, and save that. So now inside of here, we have an image of Simon Cowell. But for some reason, it's not aligned with all the other text. We'll simply put a BR tag, which basically puts it on the same line. So now it's on the same line as everything else. So you can see here, this is what we have made today. Now it doesn't look too good, so that next episode we're going to be discussing how to style our web page. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos up every single week. And if we can go for 10 likes on this video, I can get another tutorial out immediately. And I will see you all later. Peace out.